Here we will see variables in PHP. In PHP, a variable is declared using $sign followed by the variable name. Some important points about variables are: PHP is a loosely typed language, so we do not need to declare the data types of the variable. It automatically analyzes the value and makes conversion to its correct data type. After declaring a variable, it can be reused throughout the code. Assignment operator is used to assign a value to a variable. General syntax for declaring a variable in PHP is $variable name equal to value. When you assign a text value to a variable, put a quotes around the value. And unlike other languages, PHP has no command for declaring a variable. It is created the moment you first assign a value to it. Rules for declaring PHP variables are: a variable must start with $sign followed by the variable name. It can only contain alphanumeric characters and underscore. A variable name must start with a letter or underscore character. A PHP variable name cannot contain spaces. The variable name cannot start with a number or a special symbol. PHP variables are case sensitive. So, $name in small letter and $name in capital both are treated as different variable. To declare a variable, if it is string, define its value in double quote, and if it is integer or float, directly assign the value to that variable. The PHP echo statement is often used to output data to the screen. Following example shows how to print a text and a variable on screen. Echo string is $str or echo integer is $x. To make addition of two variables, here I have declared first $x equal to 5, then $y equal to 6 and $z equal to $x plus $y and echo $z. It will print the value of z. The scope of a PHP variable is defined as its range in the program under which it can be accessed. That is, the scope of a variable is the portion of the program within which it is defined and can be accessed. There are four types of variable scopes: local variable, global variable, static variable and function variable. First we will see local variable. The variables that are declared within a function are called local variables for that function. These local variables have their scope only in that particular function in which they are declared. This means that these variables cannot be accessed outside the function as they have local scope. A variable declaration outside the function with the same name is completely different from the variable declared inside the function. Global variables are the variables that are declared outside the function. These variables can be accessed anywhere in the program. To access the global variable within a function, use the global keyword before the variable. However, these variables can be directly accessed or used outside the function without any keyword. Therefore, there is no need to use any keyword to access global variables outside the function. To define a global variable, use global $name. It is important to note that it is not a good practice to use global variables in the program. Superglobal variables. PHP has a list of built-in variables which are known as superglobal variables. Superglobal variables provide information about the PHP script environment The super global variables are always available in all parts of the script. Following table shows the list of PHP super global variables. $globals returns an array that contains global variables. $_server returns data about the web server environment. $_get return data from GET request. $_post return data from POST request. $_cookie which returns data from HTTP cookies. $_files return data from post file uploads. $_env returns information about the script's environment. $_request return data from HTTP request. $_session returns variables registered in session. Next is static variable. A feature of PHP is to delete the variable once it completes its execution and its memory is freed. Sometimes we need to store variable even after completion of function execution. Therefore, another important feature of variable scoping is static variable. We use the static keyword before the variable to define a variable, and this variable is called static variable. Static variables exist only in a local function, but it does not free its memory after the program execution leaves the scope. To define a static variable, use static keyword, that is static $num1 equal to 3. Next is function parameter. Function parameters are local to the function. Therefore, function parameters can only be accessible inside the function.